What's up, everybody? Welcome to Colorful Analysis. I'm super excited you are here. Scenario for this video is to compare customer rank between the 2 years. So in this case, we are on the data set of Superstore. We have another video in this channel, and I got that data from Kaggle. uh, Here, when calculated by these guys, means that rankings from the category of a statistical function DAX or from category of filtered function and some in the category of aggregation function, we can calculate customer ranks, and then especially for the year of the 2016 and year of 2017, and then compare these together. So for example, when the bar chart is green, means that I have a good rank now. That customer has a better situation comparing the last year. And then also you this is a this minus is a good actually result here, but it's depend on what you want. You can change the color, you can consider another scenario. And as you may see, these customers in 2016 was a first rank, but now in the 2017 is a worse situation. So we should take care of that customer to find out what is the reason. Let's together to measure this scenario. First of all, I need a measure to rank the customer. Okay, the measure rank customer. We need for all customer. So from the superstore customer name, but we need the rank X of all of them. Rank X. So we are good for all the customer. Now the other we need a value based on the revenue, sales revenue, which use the aggregation function. And then we need the order. The order just so that is for the customer rank. Now we should specialize for the each year and then compare. So rankings for 2016, the data set is 2016 and 2017. So just calculate the measure of the rank, filter by year, 2016. This one. Oh, what's happened? Look, superstore year is a text. So come back to our measure. Should be text. So I should keep it on the two quote. Good. And then I need the same for 2017. Easy. Copy paste. 2017 and yes, 2017. So far, so good. We have this one too. And the last measure to compare, change rank. So rankings in 2017 minus ranking 2016, change rank. As you can see, for this customer for 2017 is their ranking is so high. The change is so high. So that is not a good, we should take care of that customer. In the visualization to be end user when you have a lot of the data, it's a good idea to specific the color. So you have a chance to play here with the apply setting. Simple things because this video is not for the visualization. I use a data bar, but I say that now here positive number is not good because now the ranking is very high. So we can consider that this one as a yellow and the negative as a yellow and the negative as a green color. Yeah, bingo. That is the end of the today scenario and hope that that would be a solution for one of your challenges. Come back to this channel. You will explore more and more. Bye for now.